Hello, my adoring fans. I left the flat in such a rush today that I forgot to film my little protein bar that I had. Fortunately, there's lots of other videos of food. Well, actually, there's not. I didn't film everything because I was with my friends and they're not too familiar to my obsession with filming things, so I felt a bit awkward. But I had to take 2 tubes to get to Piccadilly Circus, where we met up at this pub. I got there before it opened. So I felt like a real degenerate, waiting outside desperately for the pub to open because I needed to take a piss. Anyway, I had some more Japanese food from Taro. Delicious. Then I also had a Ben & Jerry's sundae, but I forgot to film that. Then we sat in a park, watched some really bad people playing cricket. Then we said our goodbyes, headed back to the home burrito, had my raid. It was a giant disaster, but it's over now, at least. Yeah, anyway, I hope you all had a good day, and adios.